Hey guys, my name is Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. For today's video, I'm going to share with you how I made a candle jar and then actually put the wax inside of it, because normally when I make candle jars, I'll just use them as jars, but I'm actually going to do the whole thing this time. So let's get started. For this project, I'm going to be using this flower candle jar mold that Boo on Nicole sent me a really long time ago, and I totally forgot that I had it. I'll make sure to link it down in the description box for you guys in case you want to use the same one. And if you've never used any of their molds before, they're such good quality. They're really sturdy, and this video is not sponsored. I just really like their products. To make this candle jar, I'm going to be using resin-crete, but before I get there, I wanted to mix together my mica powder color because I wanted to try out the mica powder in the resin-crete, and I was trying to mix together an olive green color. For the candle jar, I ended up using 600 grams of the resin-crete powder and 180 grams of water. Make sure to mix this together really well because you don't want to end up with clumps in your mixture. I added the mica powder in and it really did nothing to change the color of this, so I ended up using some liquid pigment from Boo on Nicole, and this stuff is super pigmented, so I just needed a little bit to get the color that I wanted, and I went with like a minty blue. Now I'm pouring my mixture into the molds, and don't forget to tap out the air bubbles.
Later that same evening.
It's been about 40 minutes, so now my jar is ready to be demolded. You guys, this jar came out so pretty. I'm going to take a candle wick and glue it into the middle of my jar. I melted some candle wax off camera, and now I'm just going to fill up my jar. I wanted to add in some dried flowers to the top of my candle, so I let the wax that I originally poured in dry a little bit, and now I'm going to pour in some more wax on top so that I can add in the dried florals. Now all I have to do is trim the wick and we are done. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment and subscribe for more DIYs, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!